Hello friends, now we started completing advocate on record syllabus for Patna High Court. Upcoming exam is going on 27 February and 28 February. Now we go through it. First of all, we started Order 43, Rule 1 from CPC syllabus. Order 43, Rule 1. Appeal from orders. Appeal from orders. An appeal shall lie from the following order under the provision of Section 104, namely A. An order under Rule 10 of Order 7 returning a plaint to be presented to the proper court, except where the procedure specified in Rule 10A Order 7 has been followed. An order under Rule 9 of Order 9 rejecting an application in a case open to appeal for an order to set aside dismissal of a suit. D. An order under Rule 13 of Order 9 rejecting an application in a case open to appeal for an order to set aside decree passed ex parte. An order under Rule 21 of Order 11. An order under Rule 34 of Order 21. An order under Rule 34 of Order 21 or an objection to the draft of a document or an endorsement. An order under Rule 72 or Rule 92 of Order 21 setting aside or refusing to set aside a sale. An order rejecting an application made under sub-rule of Rule 106 of Order 21 provided that an order on the original application, that is to say, the application referred to in sub-rule 1 of Rule 105 of that order is appealable. An order under the Rule 9 of Order 22 refusing to set aside the abatement of dismissal of suit. An order under Rule 10 of Order 22 giving or refusing to give leave. An order under Rule 2 Order 25 rejecting an application in a case open to appeal for an order to set aside dismissal of a suit. An order under Rule 5 or Rule 7 of Order 33 rejecting an application for permission to sue as indigent person. Order in interpleader suit under Rule 3, Rule 4 or Rule 6 of Order 35. An order under Rule 2, Rule 3 of Rule 6 of Order 38. An order under Rule 1, Rule 2, Rule 2A, Rule 4 or Rule 10 of Order 39. An order under Rule 1, Rule 4 of Order 40. An order for refusal under Rule 19 and under 41 to readmit or under Rule 21 of Order 41 to rehear an appeal. An order under Rule 23 or Rule 23A Order 41 remanding a case where an appeal would lie from the decree of the appellant court. An order under Rule 4 of Order 47 granting an application for review. Thank you.